Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simply Explained English. I'm Jack.
And I'm Sarah. We are back with another special episode full of real-life conversations.
That's right. Today, we have prepared a collection of different everyday situations, all spoken in simple and clear English.
You will see short dialogues covering many useful topics. This is the best way to improve both your vocabulary and your listening skills.
As always, we will show you the key words at the beginning of each dialogue. And please, stay with us until the end.
We have a great shadowing session ready for you to practice your speaking.
Are you ready to learn? Let's jump into the first dialogue.
Hello! Welcome to City Fitness. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am interested in joining your gym. I feel a bit lazy lately, so I need to get in shape for the summer.
That is a great goal. We have everything you need here. Are you interested in lifting weights or doing cardio?
Mostly cardio. I really enjoy running on the treadmill. It helps me clear my mind.
Perfect. We have 20 modern running machines, so you never have to wait in line.
That is good news. I hate waiting. Is the gym very crowded in the evenings?
Well, between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., it is our peak hours. Many people come here after work, so it gets busy.
I see. I will try to come in the morning then. How do I sign up?
It is very easy. You just need to fill out this form. The monthly membership fee is $40.
That is a fair price. By the way, I also enjoy swimming. Do you have a pool here?
Yes, we have a large heated pool downstairs. However, I must tell you that the pool is not included in the standard fee.
Oh, really? So I have to pay extra for it?
Yes, the pool requires an additional charge of $20 per month.
That makes the total $60. That is a bit over my budget.
I understand. You can start with the gym only.
Yes, I will stick to the basic plan for now. Maybe I will upgrade later.
That sounds like a good plan. Welcome to the club.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I feel terrible. I think I am coming down with the flu. I went to the doctor this morning and he gave me this note.
I see. Let me look at your prescription. Okay, I see what you need. You need some antibiotics and a strong cough syrup. Do you have them available right now? I really need to go home and rest. Yes, let me check the computer. We have them in stock. Just give me a moment to prepare the bag. Thank you. I have a question about the pills. What is the correct dosage? You need to take one pill every 8 hours. It is very important to take them on a full stomach. Never take them when you are hungry.
Okay, I will remember that.
Are there any side effects? Good question. The cough syrup might make you feel a bit drowsy, so please do not drive your car after you drink it.
That is fine. I plan to stay in bed all day anyway.
That is the best thing to do. Do you need anything else?
Yes, actually. My head hurts a lot. Do you have anything for that?
You can take this aspirin. It is over the counter, so you don't need a doctor's note for it. Perfect. I will take that too.
Good afternoon. Are you looking for anything specific for your home?
Hi, yes, actually. I just moved into a new apartment. The living room is empty, so I need a brand new sofa.
Congratulations on your new home. We have a great collection here. What do you think about this gray L-shaped one?
It looks very eye-catching. The color is modern and stylish. Can I sit on it to test it?
Of course. Please make yourself comfortable.
Wow, this is incredibly soft. It feels very cozy. I could easily fall asleep here while watching a movie.
It is one of our best sellers. The fabric is also very strong. It is easy to clean if you spill coffee or tea on it.
That is good to know. I'm not very handy with tools, though. Is it hard to put together?
Not at all. We offer free assembly. Our delivery team will bring it to your house and put it together for you.
That is a huge relief. Do I have to wait for weeks to get it?
Let me check the system. Good news! This model is in stock right now. We can deliver it tomorrow.
That is fast, but it is a big purchase. I'm not sure if I should buy it immediately.
I understand. It is a big decision.
Yes, I think I need to sleep on it. I will think about it tonight and come back tomorrow.
Take your time. We will be here.
Hello. Welcome to Fast Wheels. How can I help you today?
Hi, I made a reservation online. I am here to pick up my car. My name is Mia.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. You reserved a compact car for the weekend. May I see your driver's license and credit card?
Of course. Here you go. Is there a problem with my card?
No, everything is fine. We just need to block a small deposit for security. Now, I have an important question. Do you prefer manual or automatic gears?
I definitely need automatic transmission. I cannot drive a manual car with a stick shift.
Don't worry. We have a very modern fleet of cars. All of our vehicles are automatic.
That is a relief. Now, what about protection?
Would you like to add full insurance for $20 a day? It covers everything, even small scratches.
Is it really necessary? I am a careful driver.
Accidents happen unexpectedly. If you ask me, it is always better safe than sorry.
You are right. Please add the full coverage. I don't want to take any risks.
Wise choice. Here are your keys. The gas tank is currently full.
What is the fuel policy? Do I need to return it full?
Yes, please fill up the tank before you bring the car back. If the tank is empty, we charge a very high fee.
Understood. And where do I drop off the car on Sunday evening?
You can leave it in the parking lot, in slot B4.
Hello, sir. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a small emergency. I spilled coffee on my favorite white shirt this morning. It is a terrible mess.
Let me take a look. That is a very large and dark stain. Coffee is difficult to clean because it goes deep into the fabric.
I know. I tried to clean it with water immediately, but it didn't help. Do you think you can get it out?
To be honest, it is risky, but we will do our best. We have special chemicals for these situations. However, the fabric feels very delicate. Is this silk?
Yes, it is a silk blend. That is why I didn't put it in the washing machine at home.
You did the right thing. Machines can ruin this material. We will clean it by hand.
That sounds good. How much will it cost? I hope it is not too expensive.
For delicate silk items, the price is $15. It includes cleaning and pressing. Do you want us to iron it?
Yes, please. I want it to look perfect. When will it be ready? I'm in a rush because I have a wedding on Saturday.
Today is Wednesday. We can have it ready by Friday afternoon. Is that okay?
That is perfect. Thank you so much.
All right. Here is your ticket. Please bring this with you when you come to pick up the shirt.
I will keep it in my wallet. See you on Friday. Ben, can we talk for a minute? Sure, Leo. What is going on? You look a bit serious. Is everything okay? Honestly, no. I am not happy about the state of our apartment. Look at the kitchen. It is a complete mess. Yeah, it looks a bit dirty. I was very busy with work yesterday, so I didn't have time to clean up. I understand you are busy, but there are dirty plates and cups everywhere. And look at the table. There are empty pizza boxes from 2 days ago. Relax, Leo. It is not a big deal. I will throw them away later tonight. That is what you said yesterday. We cannot live like this. According to our weekly schedule, it is your turn to do the dishes. Is it really my turn? I thought I did them on Monday. No, I did them on Monday. We need to follow the rules. It has to be equal for both of us. Okay, you are right. I'm sorry. I shouldn't put it off anymore. I was just lazy. I will start right now. Thank you. And one more thing. The garbage bin is overflowing. I can't stand the smell anymore. It smells like rotten food. Oh, now that you mention it, that smells terrible. I agree. Since you are washing the dishes, I'll take out the trash and vacuum the floor. Let's clean this place up together. Deal. Let's finish these chores quickly so we can watch the football game.
Welcome back. Now it is time to practice.
In this section, repeat the sentences after us. We will say each sentence twice. Listen carefully and speak out loud.
Let's start.
So I need to get in shape for the summer. So I need to get in shape for the summer.
It is our peak hours. Many people come here after work. It is our peak hours. Many people come here after work.
I will stick to the basic plan for now. I will stick to the basic plan for now.
I think I am coming down with the flu. I think I am coming down with the flu.
The cough syrup might make you feel a bit drowsy. The cough syrup might make you feel a bit drowsy. It is over the counter, so you don't need a doctor's note for it. It is over the counter, so you don't need a doctor's note for it.
It looks very eye-catching. The color is modern and stylish. It looks very eye-catching. The color is modern and stylish.
Of course, please make yourself comfortable. Of course, please make yourself comfortable. Our delivery team will bring it to your house and put it together for you. Our delivery team will bring it to your house and put it together for you.
Would you like to add full insurance for $20 a day? Would you like to add full insurance for $20 a day? If you ask me, it is always better safe than sorry. If you ask me, it is always better safe than sorry.
And where do I drop off the car on Sunday evening? And where do I drop off the car on Sunday evening?
To be honest, it is risky, but we will do our best. To be honest, it is risky, but we will do our best. I'm in a rush because I have a wedding on Saturday. I'm in a rush because I have a wedding on Saturday.
Look at the kitchen. It is a complete mess. Look at the kitchen. It is a complete mess. Okay, you're right. I'm sorry. I shouldn't put it off anymore. Okay, you're right. I'm sorry. I shouldn't put it off anymore. The garbage bin is overflowing. I can't stand the smell anymore. The garbage bin is overflowing. I can't stand the smell anymore.
Excellent work, everyone! You finished another lesson with us.
We hope you enjoyed these real-life conversations. Now, we have a small challenge for you.
Choose one new word you learned today and use it in a sentence in the comments below.
We are very curious to see your sentences. We read and heart all your comments.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.